Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to solve the Death of Apocalypse puzzle in Marvel Rivals. First, we're going to solve the Death of Wolverine puzzle. To complete this puzzle, the first thing you need to do is gather all the clues by clicking on the small shiny stars scattered around the area. Once you have collected all the clues, it's time to solve the puzzle. Once you arrange the words properly, the full story is revealed. Here is the completed text. Once everything is ready and all the clues have been collected, we'll move on to the persons of interest. They are in order Wolverine and Bucky. And that's how you complete this puzzle in Marvel Rivals with Wolverine story complete. Here's the complete puzzle breakdown for the Death of Psylocke case. Just like before, find all the clues from the top to the bottom, hunt down all the hidden evidence scattered around the search area, just click on every glowing star you find at the log clue. Next step is to drop all 12 missing keywords into the blank spots on the incident report. Simply copy the text I'm using on the screen, and this whole puzzle will be wrapped up before you know it. Now the next task is matching the persons of interest. First one is Psylocke, the second one is Loki, and the final one is Magic. And there you go, the Death of Psylocke investigation is officially closed. Finally, we are ready with the Psylocke case and we can move on to the Gambit one. First, you need to find all the clues. Let's find them from the top to the bottom. If you're interested in the lore, you can read this through, but I'll move forward and focus only on the solutions. Now it's time to fill in the 12 empty spaces with correct words. Follow along to complete the puzzle. When that's ready, we have all the clues. The next step is person of interest. First one is Gambit, then the Hood, and the third one is Black Panther. When that's ready, here comes the last one. This is the easiest one. All you need to do is match these three pictures and you are good to go. And there you go. The investigation is officially closed. That's how you complete the puzzle in Marvel Rivals. Thanks for tuning in, and I wish you a wave great of Marvel Rivals games with your friendly and skillful allies. If this guide helped you completing all the puzzles, please consider subscribing to our channel. Like the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed day.